the most important change that could be made to bring about a sexually equal society. The point and plan of this video. In our group, we will be going about searching for a way to find out what sexual equality is exactly. Equality is just that, equal. No one should be preferred, selected, compensated more, etc., based upon the terms of their sex, a biologic factor that wasn't chosen by the subject. Our theory. Our group will use the consequentialist theory to form our approach. The consequentialist theory is derived from the utilitarian point of view, which focuses on the maximization of happiness in each individual involved. We feel that this is the only theory that can be used on a work such as this, because to be equal and fair, everyone's happiness should be existed, if not at maximum levels. The key to this project, we feel, is to satisfy everyone's desire to be involved.
Sexual equality in the workplace. Our group asserts that looking at the sex of an individual and basing that as the means of hiring them is not morally right. People should be chosen to perform a task based upon their strengths, qualities, and weaknesses, not their sex.
Go. The implications of our video. Our video is focusing on a sexually blinded world. With this, the implications of our world widen so much at the thought, while keeping in tune with traditions somewhat, and also allowing the most qualified individuals who meet the requirements and are the most qualified to perform a desired task or job. We can only imagine what the possibilities could be. In selection of a candidate for a position, instead of measuring their gender or asking them whether they're male or female or going into anything like that, the person that typically fits the role will not matter anymore. This candidate's qualifications and credentials will be compared side by side to see who will receive the desired position. The possibilities are simply astounding.
Women in the military and in combat. Currently, our military forces of the United States do not allow women to take active combat roles. We believe, in order to erase military sexism and gender bias within our military, women should be allowed to fight alongside the men as long as they meet the physical requirements. By having gender equality in the military due to standardized physical requirements for both male and female, maximum happiness can be accomplished. It can be accomplished because the women that want to participate in combat will be able to, and it will also eliminate the second sexism, which is when Benatar discusses how women not being allowed into combat is sexist towards men who are in turn forced into combat. In conclusion, by using the consequentialist theory, maximum happiness can be achieved. This can be done in regards to sexual equality because everyone has equal opportunity to positions they are qualified for, not the roles they are supposed to perform because of sex encroaching a gender role upon them. This causes maximum happiness to be possible. Those who want to participate actively in a position outside of gender expectations can do so, while those that do want to remain in gender roles can. All those involved have their happiness maximized.
This concludes our presentation. Thanks for your attention.